how to see send friend request on Facebook? Follow this step. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Once you are there, click on the gear icon at the top right. From the list, select Account Center at the top. Here, choose your information and permission under the account settings. Now click on Export your information. Now click on Create Export to start the process. Then click on Export to device. Moreover, tap on Customize information and click on the box next to Friends and Followers. Then hit the Save button. Likewise, choose your desired date range. Select your file format and pick the media quality. Once you are ready, hit Start Export to request a copy of your selected data. Finally, when your file is ready, just open it and you will be able to see send friend request on Facebook. And there you go. I hope this video helped.